Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I'm your EVS teacher. So students, we have already finished our chapter 4, let's clean together, and today in this part we are continuing with the practice questions of this chapter. So let's start. Question number 1 is, how did you organize the cleanliness campaign in your school? Describe it. So students, I know that you must have organized a campaign of cleanliness in your school. You must have been a part of such campaign. So simply you have to describe it. So I have mentioned few things here. You can add some more things if you want. So the first thing, we organized a cleanliness campaign in our school in which we cleaned our classrooms, mopped them, picked out unwanted bushes, plants, etc. from the garden area and playground. We also clean the vicinity of our school. So dear students, you need to remember that this cleanliness campaign actually focuses on entire cleaning of each and every part of school and the surroundings. So what we did in that cleanliness campaign, so when we organized a cleanliness campaign at our school, we cleaned our classrooms, we mopped them, then we picked out all the unwanted bushes, plants or any kind of waste material from the playground area, from the garden area, from any other place surrounding the school, and we also cleaned the vicinity of our school. तो बच्चों, यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं कि स्वच्छता कार्यक्रम के अंतर्गत किसी विद्यालय में जो गतिविधियाँ की जाती हैं वो क्या क्या होती हैं। आपने भी अपने विद्यालय में ऐसे स्वच्छता कार्यक्रम में हिस्सा लिया ही होगा। तो यहाँ मैंने कुछ चीज़ें हमारे विद्यालय के अनुसार लिखी हैं। आप भी अपने विद्यालय में जो आपका सफाई का कार्यक्रम चलाया जाता है उसमें क्या क्या करते हैं, आप यहाँ पर कुछ चीज़ें जोड़ सकते हैं। तो आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, हमने क्या क्या किया, तो हमने सभी जो स्कूल का क्षेत्र है, सभी कक्षाएं, जो भी प्लेग्राउंड एरिया है, गार्डन एरिया, सब जगह बहुत अच्छे से साफ़ सफाई करी, सब जगह झाड़ू लगाई, डस्टिंग की, सब जगह पोछा लगाया। उसके अलावा गार्डन एरिया या प्लेग्राउंड एरिया में जो भी एक्स्ट्रा प्लांट्स थे, बुशेस थे जो कि यूज़फुल नहीं थे, उन सबको हटाया गया और साथ ही स्कूल के आसपास की गलियों और सड़कों की भी बहुत अच्छे से सफाई की। सो दिस वाज अबाउट द क्लीनलीनेस कैंपेन इन आवर स्कूल. So your campaign must be similar to this one, but you can add some more things here if you want. Then the second question here is, cleanliness must become a habit. What should be our efforts for the same? So cleanliness must become our habit. We have learned that in our chapter. So what should be our efforts for the same? So let's see what should be the efforts for making cleanliness a habit. We should make our beds tidy after waking up, organize our bed daily, should keep our uniform always clean, and we should also help our mother in keeping our house clean. So for making cleanliness our habit, we should include it in our daily life. So what we can do, so while you wake up, you should start with making your bed. You should not be dependent upon any other person of your family for this thing, and after that you also have to organize your own bag. You should not be dependent upon your mother for this thing. So you should organize your bag and you should keep your uniform clean and tidy, and you should also help your mother in keeping the house clean. तो बच्चों, यहाँ आपने देखा कि कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो करके आप सफाई को अपनी आदत बना सकते हैं। तो हमारे दैनिक जीवन में आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, तो आप सुबह उठते ही अपना बिस्तर साफ़ करें, उसको खुद बनाएं। उसके बाद आप अपने बैग जो है, स्कूल क्या लेके आना है, क्या नहीं लेके आना है, उसको खुद व्यवस्थित करें। आप अपनी यूनिफॉर्म को साफ़ सुथरा रखें और आप अपनी माँ को मदद करें सारी साफ़ सफाई के कार्य में। तो इन सब चीज़ों से क्लीनलीनेस या सफाई आपकी आदत बन जाएगी। सो सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज व्हेन समवन वेंट टू गांधीजी's ashram, what did he do to create awareness about cleanliness? So we discussed that in our chapter. You must remember that thing, what Gandhiji did to create awareness about cleanliness. So when someone went to Gandhiji's ashram, he or she was first of all given a work to clean the toilets as a part of daily work. So you need to remember this thing, that he or she, the person who visited Gandhiji's ashram, was given a task to clean toilets first of all, to create awareness about cleanliness. So let's move to next question. Write your opinion on the Clean India mission. So you have to write your opinion about Clean India mission. We have learned lot of things about this mission in our chapter. So there are few things I have mentioned. You also add some points here if you want. So Clean India mission is very necessary for our country, as it will help us to eradicate many infectious diseases through proper cleaning of all the places. So you need to remember this thing, that this mission is very necessary for our country. Why it is necessary? Because it will help us to eradicate some infectious diseases which actually occur due to lack of cleanliness, or due to all the dirt and all the things being dirty, and all the water accumulating at a place, and due to these things. So it will also help in improving the image of our country at international level. So dear students, you need to remember that this mission, Clean India mission, which actually focuses on cleaning all the parts of our country, like all the streets, roads, railway stations, bus stand, on all the other public places. So due to this thing, image of our country will be improved. So this is the importance of Clean India mission. तो बच्चों, स्वस्थ भारत जो कार्यक्रम है ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। तो स्वच्छता कैसे महत्वपूर्ण है? तो सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये कि जब हम सब कुछ साफ सुथरा रखेंगे, जो भी जगह जैसे सभी सड़कें, बस स्टैंड, रेलवे स्टेशन, उन सब पर सफाई होगी, कहीं भी गंदगी इकट्ठी नहीं होगी, तो कई ऐसी बीमारियां जो कि संक्रामक होती हैं और अधिक गंदगी के कारण हो सकती हैं, वो नहीं होंगी, वो सब खत्म हो जाएंगी। और उसके अलावा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हमारे देश की छवि भी सकारात्मक बनेगी। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज आवर last question, and here we have finished our chapter 4, and in next class we will start our chapter 5 of class 5th EVS. Till then, thank you for watching.